Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as they trend. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
DJM TV.
It's gathering momentum by the second. BC, we have not seen anything close to what we are seeing here today. And by the minute, by the second, celebrities are joining in this march, and the voices are becoming stronger and more vibrant. Let me give an example of what I mean. I have Mr. P here. You have decided to join this Endsars. Why? And why are you doing this?
Because I'm a proud Nigerian. And I'm not going to lie to you, we're not happy. I'm blessed, so I shouldn't be here in the first place. You know, I shouldn't be here in the first place. But I'm here for the people. Trust me. I might live in a good house. I might have a nice cars. But these people, do you have nice cars? No! They don't. No. They don't live in a good house. They don't even live in a good environment. For me, I would say it. The government messed with the wrong generation.
So let me ask you, what do you want? What do you want? What's the prayer here right now?
Fight for fine.
Yeah, but the government is already responding to that.
How many times have they responded? We need actions. We need action. We're going to be here until we start seeing action. Yes. We're going to be here. The truth is, listen, government, the police, we're not fighting you guys. Please, allow us to express our rights and freedom. It's as simple as that. Trust me, this is somehow, I feel and we know. They know they've wronged us. We've made our demands and want it to be achieved. We send our message and we want results. They've always one word or the other said they've cancelled SARS and all that. We don't see it. So this time we're going to be here until we start seeing actions.
All right, thank you very much. BC, you can hear that. This is live and direct from the Lekito Plaza. These guys are not shifting. There's enough to eat, there's enough to drink. We don't know where that is coming about, but the statement is very simple and straightforward. We want government to respond. I don't know what that response is, but government needs to be talking to these people in the language.
For days now, Endsars protesters who are majorly youth have been on the streets in Benin City. But the protest on this very day seems to be a little bit different, because this is the first time that the protesters will be barricading the popular Edo+Lagos road by the University of Benin.
The Edo+Lagos Expressway was completely blocked by the protesters who took over the pedestrian bridge, chanting solidarity songs while others danced to the music beat supplied by a DJ. Other youths resorted to play football on the expressway. Vehicular movement was at a standstill as motorists maneuvered through adjoining streets to continue their journey.
Now from Ring Road, now for load. I reach here before I fit cross, go Oluku. You heard me?
I dey go Oluku. Because the hold up too much, now they try to come. So I dey go Oluku, no space to pass.
The car is going to Lagos, and for the past 3 hours, the car will be tracked down there.
Some protesters said the alleged public brutality of citizens cannot be addressed by the dissolution of SARS and establishment of SWAT.
Yes, SARS may have been banned, but it took them 48 hours to create another one which they call SWAT. We are saying whether it's SARS, SWAT or SWAP, we are not interested. This is no longer SARS anymore. What we want is a good tomorrow for our next generation.
We are saying no to corruption. We are saying no to police brutality. We are saying Endsars.
Motorists who have been stranded here for several hours occasioned by the protest Upon our investigation, we discovered that most of the drivers are basically no longer concerned about the day's activities, as some of them have volunteered to join the protesters. They said that they are not only looking forward to a time where the federal government will completely put an end to SARS activities in Nigeria, but they are equally hoping for a better future for the country and even for generations yet unborn. From Benin, Best Mbiere reporting.
DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as they trend. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.